Hello, hello, hello. Today, we're gonna talk about game engines and component-based design. So, dive into the fascinating world of game engines and component-based design. Whether you are a seasoned game developer or just curious about your favorite games come to light, you're in the right place. So, let's start. What are game engines? Let's talk about game engines. A game engine is a software framework designed for the creation and development of the video games. So, ito yung um, gumagawa ng games. I mean, doon ka gumagawa ng games sa game engines. Also, doon ka rin nagde-design kung paano mo i-develop yung games sa gagawin mo. These engines provide the game developers with the tools that they need to create games more efficiently. Think of a game engine as the foundation of a building is the underlying structure that supports everything. Yan. So, mm, and some of the most popular games engine include like Unreal Engine, Unity, and Godot. So sa Unreal Engine, it's developed by Epic Games, is renowned for its stunning graphics and use in a blockbuster games like Fortnite and Gears of War. Its powerful rendering capabilities make it a favorite high-end game development. Sabi doon is sa Unreal Engine, its powerful rendering capabilities make it a favorite for high-end development. Sa ano naman, sa Unity, like, alam mo yung games like Hollow Knight and Pokemon Go, yun. Doon gawa yung mga games na yun sa Unity na yun. Unity is another widely used game engine known for a versatility and ease of use. Games like yun, yung sinabi ko, were developed using Unity. It's particularly popular among indie developers due its flexible pricing and extensive asset stores. So, tapos ito pa isa, yung Godot, example of a smaller indie games, mga maliliit, mga, hindi naman sa maliliit, kumbaga, um, yung pwedeng pag-umpisahan ganun. Godot is an open source game engine that gaining traction for its lightweight design and powerful features. It used by many indie developers who appreciate its user-friendly interface and active community support. Dito kasi sa Godot, ah siya yung parang feeling ko mas pinakamadali, parang ganun. Tapos yun, yun yung tatlong popular na game engines like yung Unreal Engine, Unity, and Godot. Tapos next, what is component-based design? Component-based design is a modern approach to game development that's revolutionizing the way games are created. Component-based design focuses on creating reusable and modular components that can be combined to build complex game objects. So, dito is each component encapsulates specific functionality. For instance, a character in a game might be composed of components such as renderer, a physics body, and an input handler. This modularity allows in developers to easily add, remove, or modify yun, components without affecting other parts of the game. Yeah. So, components-based design is action with games like Unity and Unreal Engine. Kasi yung Unity, for instance, heavily utilized component design siya. Heavy, basta yun, heavy component design. Developers can attach various components to the game objects in the editor like scripts, colliders, and audio sources. Yan, pwede mo siya to define their behavior similarly, Unreal Engine uses a similar system with its actor and component classes, allowing for flexible and dynamic game object, object creation. So, next is visual different game objects with various components highlighted. This approach not only streamlines the development process but also enhances code reusability and maintainability, make it easier to manage and scale complex. So, ayun, to sum it up, game engines provide the foundational tools for game development, while component-based designs offer a modular and efficient way to build and manage game objects together. They empower developers to create immersive and engaging game experience. So, yun.